Hi angels, welcome in. I hope y'all are doing so amazing today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lindsay, and today I want to talk about reframing letting go through nervous system healing and conscious manifestation. So we've all been told to just let go, right? But what if I told you that what we are calling surrender is actually a trauma response, and that it's not really alignment, it's disassociation. And it's actually one of the biggest blocks in modern manifestation. And something that I got from Abraham Hicks, y'all know how much I love her and refer to her. She said that it's important to, instead of thinking of it as surrender and letting go, thinking of it more as path of least resistance, right? Because then we're not trying to go around something or above something or anything like that. We are actually moving through it, and more importantly, moving with it. So there's a bit of a misuse when it comes to the term of letting go, isn't there? We're told that letting go is the key to receiving, but many of us learn to let go by numbing out and suppressing desire and detaching from outcomes out of fear. And I have made all of those mistakes, by the way. And so letting go becomes a coping mechanism rather than a conscious spiritual act. And the truth is that when we are in survival mode, our nervous system sees desire as danger. And so instead of consciously detaching, we energetically disconnect. And there's a big difference between true surrender and false surrender. True surrender feels like peace, and false surrender feels like shutting down. Real letting go is actually very active. It's, regulating your nervous system, like we talk about a lot. And it's also holding the desire without attachment. And it is being fully alive in your body, and also trusting the unseen and staying open. And so it's not really about letting go, and certainly not about giving up, right? It's about giving over to trust. And so there is a quick practice, and one that I do often, and that will help you quite a bit too, to go from disassociation to embodiment. And that is that every time you feel the urge to let go, I want you to pause, and I want you to put your attention on your heart, like actually feel your heartbeat, right? And take a deep breath. And I want you to ask yourself a couple of questions. One being, can I still want this and feel safe? And also, am I releasing this in peace, or am I releasing this in fear? And that will help you differentiate between manifesting and avoiding. So I did create a somatic surrender checklist, so that way you can kind of gauge for yourself and see if your letting go is trauma or if it's trust. And so I'm going to pin that in the comments if you feel guided to check that out. And comment real surrender for me if this spoke to you, if this helped you. That's a confirmation for me too. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And please know that I love you so much. I am so grateful for you. I'm so proud of you. I am always pulling for you, always rooting for you, no matter what. And as always, I can't wait to see what you do.